welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in. So in this video we are going to take a close at maybe the most beautiful statue I've bought recently. It's a Super Saiyan 3 Son Goku Dragon Fist Explosion from the brand Figuar Zero. This is basically the first, let's say, figure that I got in my collection that came with a shipping box. I completely forgot I already removed the freaking tape. So it comes in this also very nice art box, so let's get it out. Okay guys, so let's do a quick overview of this statue. And this is a Diorama statue with the Super Saiyan 3 Son Goku from Figuar Zero. And I must say, this is absolutely one of those Dragon Ball Z epic poses, or epic, let's say, way how he fought his enemies. And the dragon punch was absolutely one of those absolutely cool things he did. Okay, so let's do a quick unboxing because I am so curious what are we going to get. Alright, so I didn't open it up. I especially waited because I wanted to do this on camera and give you my honest opinion and my personal unboxing experience. Alright, so let's unbox this bad boy and let's get it out because it is packed up very well with a lot of cardboard and plastic. Fantastic. Alright, so I think I'm done with the freaking tape. Okay, the one thing is this thing is absolutely massive when it comes to not only the size, because it's, let's put it this way, when it comes to the size it's quite tiny compared with all the other ones. The statue I'm having, oh, still some freaking tape over here. But when you're looking at the mass of it, it's absolutely heavy, man. Man, this thing is superb detailed. I'm happy that it's made of plastic, otherwise everything will break off. Let's get the plastic off. The first thing that we need to do is check out the weight. This thing almost weighs 1 freaking kilogram. That's quite heavy. But okay, so the first impression I can say it's wow, absolutely what a beautiful piece of art this is. And sometimes you find these dioramas or figures that you're thinking this is absolutely expensive, but it was worth it. The first thing I'm noticing is this hair is quite pointy and sharp, but when you're looking at, let's say, every overall detail, they did an amazing job with this. Maybe there can be a cool thing in the future. It would be epic if they have some LED function in the eyes. I don't know if it's going to be really original, but I would like of these minor cool things that he can do with this. I'm not the biggest fan when it comes to Super Saiyan 3, and the reason is basically because of his eyebrows. I find it so weird that he doesn't have one. But his facial expression, I don't know if this face is a very good look of the original of the Dragon Ball Z series. But the details in the face is absolutely freaking amazing. So let's zoom in a little bit if we can. You can even see he's screaming, and you can see he's doing that absolutely, all the effects are in his freaking face. And his eyes are kind of glossy, looks kind of cool with the lamp. Okay, so let's talk about the dragon. The dragon is absolutely cool. It's a gold dragon effect, so basically everything is made out of kind of a goldish color, but it is absolutely amazing. So it is a multi-part, piece that they put together in the factory. But to be honest, I don't find any big issues with it. You can see everything closes up perfectly. You do see this is one of those molds, but when you're looking at the details, everything is very cool. Some parts are made from some kind of a different material or a different kind of plastic, because you can see it's kind of wibbly. Still some movement in here. At the back over here, this looks amazing too. So this is one of those super detailed statues, but also this comes with the price. The exactly price, I don't exactly know it for sure anymore, but it was more of the more expensive items I've picked up, and would not be surprised these things are going to get very popular and rare. And yeah, as always a question, if there are coming bootlegs, are these bootlegs even good as the original one? Most of the time they aren't really better. I did see a minor flaw over here with this hair, a little bit of a bummer, but yeah, it is what it is. But in overall, they did an amazing job. But yeah, let me know in the comments, would you consider picking something like this up? Did you ever own from this brand statues? Yeah, drop it in the comments. Wanna thank you for watching, consider subscribing, hit that little bell, become one of the Wicked family. And I will see you in the next video.